As per exchange regulations, placing order via API now require a registered static IP. No static IP, no order process. Let's set up your static IP or Smart API in under a minute. First, visit smartapi.in. Now, click on the new login and sign in using your Angel One credential. Once logged in, click on Add App. Next, enter the redirect URL. This is the URL where the users are redirected after successful authentication. Then enter the postback URL. This is the endpoint where the order status updates. Now, for retail users, it is mandatory to add a static IP if you're using API for order execution. Please note, order or execution requests will only be processed if they are originated from the registered primary static IP. If a request is generated from another IP, it will not be processed. You will also have an option to add another secondary IP. It is optional but recommended. Your API key and secret key will now be generated. As per the exchange guidelines, primary and secondary static IPs can now only be edited once in 7 days. Additionally, you can add and manage up to 5 apps under your account. And that's it. Your static IP setup for secure API based order execution is completed.
Posted for educational and informational purpose only. Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Registration granted by SEBI, enlistment with BSE and certification from NSIM is no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of return to investor. Past performance or sample illustration does not indicate future results. There are no guarantee or assurance of return in the stock market.